Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of shopping with Klarna on Nike.com, including how to split your payments for a more convenient shopping experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit Nike.com. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Nike.com. Once you're on the homepage, explore the range of products, including footwear, clothing, and accessories. Step 2. Create or log into your account. If you already have a Nike account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account. Click on the Join Us button or Sign in the top corner and follow the prompts to set up your account. Step 3. Select your items. Browse through the categories or use the search function to find specific items you're interested in. Once you find a product, click on it to view more details. Choose your preferred size and color, and then click Add to Cart. Step 4. Review your cart. After adding all desired items to your cart, click on the cart icon at the top right corner of the page to review your selections. Ensure everything looks good and make any necessary adjustments, such as changing sizes or quantities. Step 5. Proceed to checkout. Once you're satisfied with your cart, click the Checkout button. This will take you to the checkout page. Step 6. Choose Klarna as your payment method. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options. Look for Klarna among the payment methods provided. Click on it to select Klarna for your transaction. Step 7. Set up your Klarna account. If you're using Klarna for the first time, you will need to create a Klarna account. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your email address and any other required details. If you already have a Klarna account, log in with your credentials. Step 8. Choose your payment plan. Klarna typically offers several payment options, including Pay in 4, where you can split your total into 4 equal payments. Select the option that best suits your needs and review the terms. Step 9. Confirm your order. After selecting your payment plan, review your entire order once more. Make sure all details are correct. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm Order button to finalize your purchase. Step 10. Enjoy your purchase. Once your order is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email from both Nike and Klarna. Your items will be processed, and you can track your order status through your Nike account. Thank you for watching our video on how to shop with Klarna on Nike.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy shopping!